Diagram is that we have one transistor. Right? Transistor we will use. So two types of connections are there in this. In one resistor plus an LED.
Okay.
Right? Resistor and LED. Then you have a battery source. Then you have base resistance B, RC. One switch is there.
RB should be greater.
So RB should be greater than RC. So first thing you will do, you will calculate the value of resistance. Two resistances are
Color
there.
codes.
Right, two resistances are there. Find the value of resistances using the color code. Right, whatever color code is there, find the resistance. Connect RB that is greater than across the base resistance, and RC that is smaller one across the collector resistance. You have one LED, two resistances, one LED is there. So in LED you can see there one lead is longer than the other one. Right, one lead is longer than.
Okay.
It's bigger than, means this one is long, this one is short as compared to this one. So which one is longer one? That is your positive.
Okay.
Right? Another one is your negative. So you have to connect LED in forward bias. Right? So this side is P type, this side is N type. Right? This is a transistor here. Right? This is one transistor. So in transistor, if you see it like this flat surface, no, its shape is like this. Right? Its shape is like this. So this one is collector, this one is base, this one is emitter. Right? Okay. So this is one transistor. Transistor is there, LED is there, two resistances, transistor, LED, two resistances, battery source you will take from. Right? So you can keep this battery at minimum first. Now look here how we have to make the connections. See, first connect this transistor. Right? Connect the transistor first. Okay. Transistor is connected like that. Then you find out the value of resistance. Which one is more resistance in this case?
Black or brown.
Huh? Which one is bigger resistance? Find the value of resistance. What is the value of resistance? Find this value.
Sir,
This one is bigger one. Huh?
Yes.
it is brown, black, and gold. So
Okay, maybe this one is greater than. Right? So this one is bigger than. So we will connect across the base. Which one is base? The middle one. Right? Middle one is the base.
that one is RB. Yeah.
Okay, so this one is also. So first we will make this connection base. So base is middle one. Connect this base resistance. One treatment over there. Second anywhere you can. Right? This one is base resistance because base is bigger one. Then you have one LED. Okay, LED's N side is connected to the transistor. So which one is N side? Shorter wire.
Shorter.
Right? Shorter is connected to the transistor collector, and bigger is another side. Like this.
Sir, how do we get to know that we have to connect LED to transistor with E, B, C, or?
It's written over there. No? You see, this one is collector.
Okay.
This one is base. This one is
Ammeter. Ammeter show the direction.
ammeter, means in which one arrow is there, that is your ammeter terminal.
Okay.
Now it's connected. Now another one is one resistance.
ठीक है.
So resistance also with the LED. Resistance also with one LED. Okay. Now you have two connections. Positive from the battery source. You see this one battery over here. Power supply. Positive here. So connect this positive to the RC. So connect this positive to the RC. And one switch is there. One switch is there in between. So this switch is between this point and this
Positive
point.
and the RB.
Both resistors. No? So you can say this is between this resistor and this resistor. Okay. This is a switch between these two.
We show the
Okay.
Okay.
Now at last you will connect the negative terminal. Negative terminal is connected to emitter. So emitter is where? This third terminal. Third terminal of this transistor is your emitter. So connect your this resistor. Okay. Like that. Okay. Now let's see whether it's working or not. We will increase the voltage. We will keep it at 5 volt.
It's glowing.
Okay, 5 volt. So you see it's on, little bit on. On is there, LED is glowing. So what happens here? Your switch is on, switch is closed, switch is on. Transistor is on, then your LED is also on. If switch is off means I will remove this switch.
Okay.
I will remove this switch. Transistor is off and LED is also off. This is a function of buffer. This is working as buffer. Buffer means whatever you give it input, same you are getting output. And switch is on, output is on. Switch is off, output is off. Right? This voltage should be at 5 volt constant. Right? How it is working? How it is working? When you are closing the switch, there is some current flow and transistor is on. Transistor is on, so current is flowing through this LED. Right? Current is flowing through this LED. Right? Because a transistor is on, so current is flowing through this one, so LED is also on. This was the first case, right? Okay. First case is over. Now you do for second case. Okay, now you can stop this one.
कनेक्ट कर देंगे.
हाँ, इन्वर्टर के सर्किट डायग्राम में कैसे बनेगा?
हाँ.
LED is connected like this. RC, power source. Here RC, RB.
Connection will be same.
Connection is बस LED भी different.
Oh.
LED is only different. This is collector. This only difference is LED difference. Right? So LED was connected here first. Now LED is connected here. In this case, what will happen? In this case, when switch,
Say if you remove the switch, then no effect will be there.
when switch is on, in this case, what will happen? When switch is on,
This light is on.
transistor will be on and LED will be off. Switch is on, transistor on, LED is off in this case. LED is off. Now if switch is off, transistor is also off and LED is on. Means switch is on, transistor is off, switch is off, transistor is on. This is the second case. Now how it is working? You see how it is working? When switch is closed, transistor is on. So current is coming through this and through the transistor it is coming. So very less voltage is coming across the LED. LED requires how much voltage? Maybe 2 volt, 3 volt is required. But here in this case it is coming approximately 0.2 volt, 0.2, 0.3 volt across the LED. Right? So 0.2, 0.3 volt पे ये LED काम नहीं करेगा. Right? So इसीलिए क्या होगा कि in this case it will not work. Because only 0.2, 0.3 volt is coming. Second case, what will happen when switch is off? When switch is off, open switch है. Then in case transistor is off, so transistor off मतलब ये open circuit होगी. Transistor off मतलब this is open circuit. There is no transistor. If there is no transistor, means all the voltage is coming through this LED, right? Then it will go. Then it will go. LED will go in that case. So this is the second case. It is working as inverter, right? Inverter means input is 1, output is 0. Input is 0, output is 1. So this is the second case. Connection you have to make according to this one. Okay?